Hello everyone, my name is Avril and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to repurpose this cabinet into a rustic farmhouse buffet cabinet. Want to know how it's done? Stay tuned. Here's a list of things you will need for this project, so let's get started. I started off by taking the doors off and prepping the unit to be painted. Now it's ready for its first undercoat. And I have chosen a 3-in-1 water-based primer from Dulux. You could use any primer you got in hand, the brand doesn't matter. It took me a while to completely paint this unit, but I gave it 2 generous coats of primer. Once I was done, I allowed it to dry completely. This took a couple of hours. Meanwhile, I prepped the doors with painter's tape and applied a generous coat of primer on the doors as well and set it aside to dry. Couple of hours later, it's ready for its top coat. I have chosen Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the color linen white. I went about applying the chalk paint generously until I got the desired look I was after. As soon as I was done with the painting, I let it dry to the touch. This took about an hour. Afterwards, I decided to use a Rust-Oleum glaze to give this cabinet a distressed look. I applied the glaze using a rag, and I ended up applying the glaze on the entire cabinet. Now it's time to sand the heck out of this cabinet. I sanded it for a while until I was happy with the outcome. I wiped it down clean and it was all ready to be put together. Here you see me putting the doors back on. It took me a while, but I got the job done. Hi guys, so I'm done with my transformation and I loved how it turned out. Hope you'll like it too. Hope you all loved today's video. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe to support my channel. Until I see you again, bye bye.